By the end of this video, you will know how to make a rabbit pedigree and why you should keep them. The biggest reason you're going to want to keep pedigrees is so you can track lineage for every animal.
If you're looking to breed for a certain color or an average weight, a pedigree would log both. Also, if people decide to show their animals, the wins can be tracked under legs and the grand champion number. If you decide you want to show your rabbits, you will need to keep a complete 3-generational pedigree to participate in ARBA's registration and champion programs. If you're new to rabbits and don't know about ARBA, consider taking a gander at their website that's linked below. The American Rabbit Breeders Association can be traced back to 1910, shortly after the Belgian hair boom. As of 2023, there is 51 recognized breeds and has members all over the world.
When it comes to creating pedigrees, there is no wrong way to do it. But the pedigree does need to include the following information. It needs to have the ear number, the variety, the breed, and the weight of the animal.
Many people handwrite their pedigrees. There are many templates online as well as purchasing a pedigree book from the ARBA store website. And if you want to customize your own, you can use Canva or Photoshop.
If you're looking for a computer system or program, there are many options to choose from.
For my rabbitry, I use Evans. Evans is available for multiple species and is extremely easy to use. Another software I used in the past is Everbreed, but ultimately chose Evans for functionality.
Ultimately, I encourage you to take note of what you want and be open to trying many different systems. Everyone has their favorite, and I'm sure you'll find yours. For this video, I'll be using the Evans software to show you how to make a pedigree step by step from scratch.
First, we're going to type in Jax's name, his ear number, his weight, and his variety. The reason his box is gray is indicating that I forgot to add that he is a buck. Once the initial animal is complete, we will start with the dam, input her information in, and then go to the sire to do the same, and so forth with all of the grandparents.
A benefit to having a computer system is that it saves all of this information so you only have to do it once. For example, let's make a pedigree for an animal whose parents are already in the system.
Again, we'll start with their name, ear number, weight, variety, and indicate buck or doe. Birthday is not a requirement, but many breeders like to keep track. Then, I'll type in his sire's name, click enter, which will bring up this info box. If all of the information is correct, click yes and repeat for the dam. This will automatically fill in the remaining pedigree. If you are getting value from this video, consider liking and subscribing to see more homestead content.
To show your rabbits in ARBA, you do not need a full pedigree. That is only a requirement if you choose to participate in their registration or grand champion programs.
In an effort to be organized, I use a binder with clear pockets. I'll keep one with copies for my entire show string and sale animals to keep in my show backpack. In a larger binder, I'll keep every animal's pedigrees, awards log, and registration info.
Did you know that you are more than capable of creating abundance for you, your family, and your community? Until next time, be weird and be you. If you're looking for more information on showing rabbits, click the next video.